So, brother, our topic is continue about the speed control of a universal motor. First type is the definition. What is the speed of a universal motor? Why the universal motor is so loud? Why our blenders are so noisy? So, the start this topic. Three methods of controlling the speed of a universal electric motor were discussed. These are the resistance control method, the field tapping method, and the centrifugal switch method. In the resistance control method, a variable resistance in a series within a motor is used to set the RPM. What is the speed of a universal motor? Universal motors can be and are generally run at a high speed 4,000 to 16,000 rpm and can go over 20,000 rpm. Means it's depend upon the utilization or working place purpose to which rpm operate it. Operate on a different load and different rpm is required for excitation or a mechanism work to take from a motor. What are the universal motors so loud or shouty? Universal motors are called the universal because they are happy to run either of a AC or a DC electric. Vacuum cleaner, router, electric drills also use the universal motor. These motors produce so much noise because the bushes rubs on a slouch's armature. Why are blenders so noisy? Blenders are loudy and they can seem even more so because of a vibration they send through the counter and into the walls. It helps to pull your blender away from the walls too, so the sound does not bouncing off the shout or a noisy down the hall. Dear subscriber, it's a PED. PED means the main root and the cause of initial means initial causes of an initial causes of a resistance and their controlling according to the work. In this case, I have discussed about the resistance control. First topic is the resistance control. Resistance control, a variable resistance is connected in a series with the motor. By varying the resistance, desired speed can be obtained. This methods of a speed control is used in a AC AC winding machines. And the second part is a tapered field. By varying the field strength of a series tapered field, the speed of a motor is varied. And third one is a centrifugal mechanism. Universal motor, particularly those used for domestic foods and drink mixture, have a number of speeds. A centrifugal mechanism is used to connect and disconnect. These parts is a simple to control are a simple ways to control the speed or a speed method of a controlling of a universal motor. Thanks for watching my video and keep continue and listen every day lecture about the different and technical and educational topic. If you need a video or more knowledge about any topic, please comment me. I will clearly explain and your concept about the technical fields. Thanks for watching. Keep surprise me.